Hi, this is Professor V.K. Patil. I welcome you to my video classes on basic electronics. In my last class, we have discussed how to simplify and implement the given Boolean expression by using basic gates. Today we will see implementation of Boolean expression by using only NAND gate and by using only NOR gate. For that, let us consider the Boolean expression. Let us consider the Boolean function A plus B plus C bar dot D bar E plus F. To implement the given Boolean expression by using only NAND gate or by using only NOR gate, first we need to express this given Boolean function in terms of basic gates. Let us do that first. So it has the variables A, B, C, D, E, F, 5 variables. Let us do that. So this is what the A, then B plus C bar. So here we have the input B. Let us say this is the C, which is inverted. This is what A input, B input, C input, where C is inverted because we need C bar. Now B plus C bar, first do it. To perform the addition, we need to use the OR gate. So output of this you will get B plus C bar. Then next is D bar, we need again use the inverter, that is NOT gate, to get D bar. D bar is multiplied by E. So here it is the input E which is ANDed with D bar. Here you will get an output which is D bar dot E. Now this output is added with F. Let us consider this is the output which is F. So this is what the implementation of D bar E plus F. So here you will get output which is D bar E plus F. Now this is multiplied by B plus C bar. So I need to use the AND gate here. So this is the AND gate, and output you will get which is product of these two, which is added with A. I need to use the OR gate here. And here is the output which is given Boolean function. Is it right? Now A is added with this product. So this product is achieved through this basic gates. Now to implement this given Boolean function by using only universal gates, either it may be a NAND gate or NOR gate, the first we need to find out the equivalent of NAND gate and NOR gate. So for that reason, let us consider the first one. Now let us consider first the NAND gate. This is the NAND gate where inputs are A and B, and output Y I can write it as A dot B bar. Now by using De Morgan's theorem, I can write this as, how do I can write? A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. And now this A bar plus B bar, how do I can achieve? So here I need to use the OR gate, okay, and input I need to give which is inverted, and inverted output input I can represent by using this bubble. So these are known as bubbled input OR gate. Okay, so bubbled input OR gate is equivalent to the NAND gate. Now when I apply the A, so this bubble indicates that it is inverted, hence input to this OR gate is A bar. Similar for B, input is the B which is bubble, means that it is inverted. Input for this OR gate is now A bar and B bar, and output I will get which is equal to A bar plus B bar. And this is equivalent to this NAND gate. So in other words, I can say that bubbled input OR gate is equivalent to the NAND gate. Now let us represent this Boolean function only by using the NAND gate. So for that reason, start from the output side. At the output side, very first we have, which is the OR gate. And we know that bubbled input OR gate is equivalent to the NAND gate. Hence, what I need to do is, I need to add these bubbles. Now, I have added these bubbles extra. Hence, I need to compensate this. What do you mean by the bubble? Bubble, it indicates it is the complement. And we know that complement of a complement is original function. So, I have considered the complement. I need to consider one more complement to get the original function. Now, as this input is complemented, so I need to write one more bubble, so to compensate it, and that bubble I will draw somewhere here, so that this AND gate, it becomes the NAND gate automatically, right? So here it is the complement, which is again complemented, which means that the meaning of this Boolean function, it remains unchanged. Here we have a bubble, so here we don't have any gate, so I need to use one more bubble, so that on the complement of a complement I will get original function, right? Now already this I can represent by using NAND gate. This already it is converted into the NAND gate. Now next, consider this one. Now for this OR gate, again I need to consider the inputs with bubbles. As I am adding the bubble, I need to compensate it. How to compensate? I need to use one more bubble in series with that line, right? And here the bubble indicates which is complement. For this OR gate, again I need to consider the bubbles. So this bubble I can draw here. So this bubble I need to represent here. Okay. So this is what the circuit or the digital circuit after considering the bubbles. Now what I need to do? This is bubbled input OR gate, which can be replaced by NAND gate, right? Because here the bubbled input OR gate is equivalent to the NAND gate. So therefore I can replace this by using a NAND gate. Now this becomes the NAND gate. This is already a NAND gate, not necessary to replace it. Now what is this? This is the complement, that is nothing but a NOT gate. A NOT gate, again I can replace it by using a NAND gate, and we know that single input NAND gate is equivalent to the NOT gate, right? This NOT gate is replaced by the single input NAND gate. Now what is this? This is the bubbled input OR gate, which can be replaced by NAND gate. Now this NOR gate is replaced by a NAND gate. This is the inverter, that is NOT gate. I can replace it by single input NAND gate. This is the NOT gate, which can be replaced by single input NAND gate. Here also we have an inverter, this inverter get cancelled because complement of a complement is original function. Here we have NOT gate, here also we have NOT gate. Either I can replace this by using a single input NAND gate, or you can cancel it, right? So here I will replace it. So this is the single input NAND gate. This bubble also I need to replace it by single input NAND gate. Okay. Now this OR also I need to replace it by the. This is also a NAND gate. So this NOT gate, it is replaced by single input NAND gate, and this is a NOT gate, which is replaced by single input NAND gate. Now this is the Boolean function which is implemented only by using NAND gates. And as said earlier, any Boolean function, it can be implemented by using either only by using NAND gate or by using NOR gate. Hence these are known as universal gates. This is all about how to implement a given Boolean function by using NAND gate only. In my next class we will see how to implement the given Boolean function by using only NOR gate. Till then, thank you.